Welcome back to literature classes. This is Abhilasha. Guys, today I am going to discuss mystery and miracle plays which I have left in the Age of Revivals video. As I have promised that I'll make a separate video on mystery and miracle plays, so I brought it. So guys, I'll discuss the mystery and miracle plays in detail and what is the origin, what are the main examples of these plays. We'll discuss in detail. So without doing a further delay, let's get started. First of all guys, we'll discuss liturgical plays. What are the liturgical plays actually? They began first in the English drama, or you can say medieval drama. Liturgical plays are the plays which were acted within the church, and the actors were priests or the members of the church. See, the liturgical plays are acted within the church. Liturgical plays are acted within the church means in the church the plays are acted, not any theatre. They are acted in the church or in the churchyard, because in the church there were not a huge place. That's why they have moved to churchyard, because this is the open place and there they got too much huge place. That's why they have moved from church to churchyard or the open place. The stories of these plays are taken from the Bible. The stories and saints. The stories of these plays means liturgical plays are based on the lives of saints and on the Bible. Means the origin of the Bible, from where Adam and Eve came, and what was the fall of Adam and Eve, the story of Adam and Eve, and the story of Bible, and the stories of saints. The liturgical plays are based on this. The actors of these are the members of church, like priests. Means who act these plays? These plays were performed by priests, members of the church. They are written in Latin language. Means when the liturgical play came, they came in the Latin language, not in English language. So medieval plays were started from liturgical plays, and next came mystery plays. There are several types of plays like liturgical plays, mystery plays, miracle plays, morality plays. So next topic is mystery plays. So guys, this mystery plays came in 14th century. They are developed in the 14th century in cities like York and Chester. These were practiced in the York and Chester on the feast of Corpus Christi. Okay, the plays or the stories which are based on the Bible are called mystery plays. The stories or the plays means the story of the play which are based on Bible, means the story has been taken from Bible, are called mystery plays. These plays focuses on the representation of Bible. Stories in church, they talk about creation, Adam and Eve, murder of Abel, and the last judgment. These plays focuses on the representation of Bible stories. Means the stories which has been written in the Bible, they enact these. The actors act these stories, they perform these stories. The stories of Bible have been performed by several actors, and these performance is called mystery plays. They talk about creation of Adam and Eve. They talk about creation means creation of earth. Adam and Eve was the first who came in the earth. Murder of Abel. This is also a mystical thing. And the last judgment. These plays are performed on the Corpus Christi Day. I told you these plays are performed on the feast of Corpus Christi. Corpus Christi Day, which is a Christian festival, and so known as Corpus Christi plays. Mystery plays are also known as Corpus Christi plays. Why? Because these plays are performed in the Corpus Christi Day, on the Corpus Christi Day, or on the feast of Corpus Christi. This is a festival of Christians. Okay. They talk about, in the mystery plays, they talk about biblical history of mankind, crucial events. They represent crucial events like history of mankind, creation, fall of man, okay, through the nativity or crucifixion of Jesus Christ, resurrection of Jesus Christ, last judgment. These things were created or were performed in the mystery plays. These things were written in the mystery plays. These were performed in the cities of York and Chester. That's why they are called as York plays, Chester plays, Wakefield plays. There are some examples also by which you can understand what are the mystery plays. So, Wakefield cycle of play. It is a cycle of play known as Noah. Means work name is Noah, and second Shepherd's play. This is also a play. This is also a mystery play. Abraham and Isaac. This is also a mystery play. The second Shepherd's play was written in the late 15th century. Okay. It is a part of Wakefield cycle of play. In this play, the title refers not a second shepherd. Okay, second shepherd's play doesn't mean second shepherd, but this is a fact that this play was the second of two plays that dealt with the biblical nativity or biblical story. In this play, there are characters like Col, Gib, and Daw, Mac. These were the shepherds. So, in this play, the story of shepherds is written. This second shepherd's play came in the mystery play. Next is miracle play. You know, miracle plays are basically based on the lives of saints or the martyrdoms of saints. Means whatever the good things, whatever the bad things are done by saints is acted or is performed in the miracle plays. Miracle means something miraculous, something good, something different from the society. They have written in the miracle plays. See, the representation of saints' life on the martyrdom of saints is known as miracle play. What are the miracle plays? These miracle plays are the representation of saints' lives or the martyrdom of saints. They are also called saints' plays because they are based on the saints' life or the martyrdom of saints. That's why these are known as saints' plays also. A miracle play presents the real or fictitious account of the life of a saint. Means in these plays we can see the real life or the imaginary life of a saint. Miracles or martyrdom of a saint. Means whatever the miracle or whatever the martyrdom has been done by the saint, that is depicted in the miracle plays. That can be imaginary also, that can be fictitious also, or that can be real also. So the miracle play is based on the life of saint. So I think this miracle play is very easy topic and you have understood this. see the example of miracle plays. There are some plays which are in the category of miracle plays, like the conversion of Saint Paul, Mary Magdalene, and the play of Sacrament. These are miracle plays. Miracle means something different, something extraordinary, something imaginary, something which is not related to the real world can be depicted in the miracle plays. So these are some types of plays I have discussed. First of all, liturgical plays came. Liturgical plays which are introduced in the very first time, and in the liturgical plays you have seen that liturgical plays are acted within the church, and when the audience are interested so much, that time they have shifted it to the churchyard. Why? Because they don't have enough place so that the people can gather there, so they have shifted to churchyard. But that time there were no dialogues in the liturgical plays. When the mystery plays came, that at that time only dialogues came and some extraordinary changes has been occurred. So, and there were so many plays in the written in the mystery plays. After that, miracle plays came, morality plays were also written, and interludes. So morality plays and interludes I'll discuss in the next video. So I hope this will help you out. So that's it for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.